Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to be reacting to NCT Dream, another subunit of NCT. Will I ever remember all the NCT member names? That's a mystery that is yet to be solved. So let me just check. Before I start the video, I want to check if I know anybody in this subunit. So the members of NCT Dream, okay, Mark, and that's it. I only know Mark. Do I know any other? I don't recognize the names. Maybe I've seen them, but Mark for sure I will be able to recognize. So they have had a comeback today. The MV name is Hot Sauce. Yeah. So I'm really excited to check their song out. And I don't know if every NCT subunit has a style per se, but I have understood that NCT songs are pretty powerful. I mean, Make a Wish, NCT U song, and then Gimme, and the latest that I reacted to was Kick It. All three extremely powerful songs. So I'm guessing even Hot Sauce is going to be very hot. Yes. So without dealing this any further, let's react to NCT Dream's Hot Sauce. Congratulations to them for their comeback. All right. Okay. I am just wondering if I'll ever be able to, remember their names. Okay, let's start. Oh wait, subtitles. Ooh, so colorful. Like I said, powerful. He's the only guy I recognize. Okay. Again. Oh, okay. Wait. Can I just say that this is very unique? Firstly, I am looking at the lyrics now, like the line, don't look around, just taste it. I mean, I don't know how to interpret these lines, guys? I don't know how to interpret these lines. Should I interpret it in the adult way? Because, I mean, hot sauce? Come on! It's like ice cream. Okay. And so you tell me, guys, how do I interpret the lyrics, I leave it to you. You guys can let me know. And can I just say, I love, before the beat drops of Hot Sauce, the entire pre-chorus is very unique to my ears. Because I really like that with every line there is a change in melody and sort of there's a change in beat. That's very unique. I don't know. This is something that already I know the like NCT songs. I guessed correctly, like it's going to be a powerful song because this is also pretty beat heavy and you look at their vocals, very powerful. But what I am really liking is with every line how it is, changing a little bit of the melody and of course the beat also. I'll tell you. After this, see how the beat is? Wow. like how the beat. See with how every line the beat is changing. It's very nice. This is very, very unique. I like also before we move on to the next one, I just want to say how simplistic they have kept their sets and they have focused on the coloring. The colors are very bright, but the set is actually pretty simple. See, because you like my dish. I swear I leave it to you how to interpret these lyrics, man. Like, my adult brain is going into way too adult direction, so. I really like this part. Ooh. Na, 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 na. Wow. I like how it is the red and yellow and the orange color palette has been used because the video is like hot sauce. 너를 삼켜버린 feeling 사로잡은 이런 그림 뗄 수가 없잖아 좀 더 깊이 빠져들 때 You please interpret the lyrics. 얼마든지 더 바래 바래 baby 너의 혀끝 위로 아른거리 완벽해진 맛을 즐겨 I'm sorry. I don't want to, but my brain is just looking at the lyrics and thinking something way more dirty. Oh! Woohoo! It's very beat heavy, very techno. They're amazing dancers. Mark, yeah, you please tell me. What does the lyrics mean? Nice. Fantastic. This might be like till now because Kick it was just yesterday that I listened to Kick It and today I've listened to Hot Sauce. But I'll talk about the MV later. Please tell me. I mean, I'm sorry, but aren't the lyrics just too obvious? I love it. But I'll leave the interpretation to you. I already told you how I'm interpreting it in my head when I'm reading it. So that's the first interpretation which came in my mind because it is pretty obvious. But I love the color palette of this MV. The beats are very, very powerful. Very beat heavy, like all the NCT songs that I've listened to, they are extremely beat heavy. And I really like the ending techno-ish part, that was really nice. The choreography is great, and I loved before the hot sauce thing drops. I mean to say before the chorus part drops of hot sauce, I really like the pre-chorus where with every line I told you like the beat is changing and the melody is changing and the tempo is changing, which was very, very unique, and I really like that. This might be, I don't know, I love Kick It, but this is also, I'm gonna like place them together because it's not been very long. I've just listened to Kick It and yesterday, and today I've listened to Hot Sauce. but I love both the songs. But this one, I don't know, something unique about the beats of the song. I'm really liking it. Like my affinity towards Hot Sauce is more. Like if Kick It, if gun to my head, somebody asks me to pick between Kick It and Hot Sauce, I don't know. Maybe because once you listen to one song for a long time, of course you grow more affinity towards it. But because I've listened to Kick It just yesterday and today to Hot Sauce, I would pick Hot Sauce. I would pick Hot Sauce. So yes, that was my reaction, guys. I want to know your thoughts on the lyrics. Yeah, and everybody looks great. Like I said, I loved the sets. They were simplistic, but they have really made them bright and colorful because it's spicy. Yes, so that was my reaction for today, guys. Congratulations once again to NCT Dream for their comeback, and yeah, please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.